All right, it's 9:12 a.m. Friday, September 6, 2024. Quick look at my account. I'm at the same $332 I was at yesterday. I did not trade yesterday. There was just nothing that fit my criteria. So I will pause the video and return once the market opens if I see a potential trade. I need to get a lot better at screen recording live trades and talking on this microphone at the same time. I did take a trade this morning. I did not get on the pause button again to record it, but I will show you the trade right here. I got in this at 9:38 and 2 seconds, out at 9:38 and 58 seconds. So it was a nice, clean, quick scalp. I was in this trade only 56 seconds, less than a minute. I took 100 shares of this BLMZ at $1.75, got out at $1.85. That's a 10-cent gain on my exit price. 100 shares, pretty much a $10 bill. $9.97 here. I'm going to call that $10, and an exact 3% gain on my account. So I'm real happy with that. I don't care what size of account you have, $300 like me or $30,000. A 3% gain is a good, honest trade. So again, in and out, 56 seconds. You can do this too. I'm going to pause the video and look for another opportunity. I will return if something changes. Watching BLMZ again. It is still trying to run. High of day is $2. If this provides an opportunity, I will trade this a second time. I'll pause the video and return if something improves. All right, I'm going to call it for today. I'm going to take this 3% gain, a bird in the hand, and shut things down. So thanks a lot for hanging out, and I hope to see you again next week.